The German military recently deployed its AGF-2 reconnaissance and combat vehicle for live trials in the arid terrain of El Paso, Texas, teaming up with its elite Kommando Spezialkräfte, KSK, to push the platform to its limits. This exercise formed a key part of a broader performance validation effort by both the German Procurement Office and the KSK, as they seek to confirm whether the vehicle can hold up under realistic, high-stress combat conditions far from home. Specifically designed for special operations, the AGF-2 is being scrutinized not only for its combat readiness but also for how well it matches the technical specs promised by its Dutch manufacturer, Defenture. Among the goals, determine whether it can function effectively in hot, dry environments, far from the mild European climates in which most military testing usually occurs. There are two main versions of the AGF-2, the standard model built for reconnaissance and engagement, and the AGF-2/UFK, tailored for tactical support roles. The latter is designed to transport essential equipment, troops, and ammunition, adjusting its interior layout for greater cargo flexibility. Images released by the Bundeswehr also show an electric Serval L1E motorcycle mounted to the rear, an indication of the vehicle's versatility in special ops scenarios. The recent testing in Texas followed the arrival of 4 prototype AGF-2 units in early April 2024. After delivery, they were sent to the Bundeswehr's WTD-41 test center in Trier for thorough evaluation. Each of these units is being assigned a distinct operational focus, ranging from weapons systems integration to digital connectivity and field repair capabilities, to streamline and accelerate the validation process. Built on the Mammoth platform, the AGF-2 represents a new generation of battlefield mobility. With its rugged ground force, GRF, chassis roots, the Mammoth features a central spine frame supporting the structure and key drivetrain parts. Weighing in at nearly 9 tons, the platform delivers 268 horsepower via a 6-cylinder multi-fuel diesel engine, along with 610 Nm of torque and an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Its terrain handling capabilities are formidable: 366 mm of ground clearance, a 1000 mm water fording depth, and the ability to climb vertical steps up to 425 mm high. This is complemented by 4-wheel steering, an extremely tight turning radius of 1.5 meters, and advanced suspension geometry for off-road performance. The AGF-2 will succeed the older AGF Serval, which has served German special forces since 2003. This newer generation vehicle offers greater payload, up to 3.5 tons, better armor protection, and expanded modularity for different mission profiles. In addition to the standard reconnaissance setup, the AGF-2/UFK has been modified to remove certain features like the rear roll bars in order to expand internal capacity for mission-critical equipment. The AGF-2/UFK is equipped with a modular mounting system designed to accommodate various mission-specific equipment configurations. This includes the capability to integrate remote-controlled or manually operated mounts for different operational tools, depending on the mission profile. The vehicle also features advanced communication systems and sensor technology to enhance situational awareness and support coordination during complex field operations. The current testing campaign in Texas is just one piece of a much larger puzzle. The AGF-2 variants will also be trialed in drastically different environments like Panama's jungles and Alaska's icy terrain. These climate-specific tests will help verify whether the Mammoth-based design can maintain performance consistency in radically different geographic conditions. Germany's KSK, a special operations unit formed in 1996, brings critical field experience to this testing initiative. Its formation followed Germany's realization during the 1994 Rwandan crisis that it lacked a rapid response elite force. Since then, the KSK has participated in high-stakes deployments across the Balkans, Afghanistan, and more recently, during the Kabul evacuation in 2021. The unit is known for drawing on best practices from elite units such as the British SAS and US SOCOM. The Mammoth platform at the core of this vehicle family was first introduced by Defenture in mid-2022 as a more robust offshoot of the lighter vector system used by Dutch commandos. Maintaining a modular design ethos, the Mammoth allows mission-specific customization while preserving structural integrity. Its heavy-duty build includes three 3580 R20 tires and 3 locking differentials, yet it still manages a highly maneuverable turning radius of 12.5 meters across its roughly 5.6 meter frame. As the German military prepares to modernize its special operations ground mobility, the AGF-2 program is shaping up to be a cornerstone of that evolution, merging raw power, modularity, and cutting-edge combat systems in a single deployable platform. Final decisions on wider procurement will rest on the feedback from these multinational field trials and the KSK's operational assessments on the ground.